Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, you will know about Coinbase list Pi network, ZBCN, BlockDAG or WLFI. The short answer is nobody knows until Coinbase makes an official announcement. Coinbase carefully reviews projects before listing them. The exchange considers factors such as security, legal compliance, liquidity, community demand, and the overall quality of the project. Even if a token is popular or trending online, that does not guarantee it will be listed on Coinbase. Be cautious of rumors or social media posts claiming a listing has been confirmed. That's it. Until Coinbase officially announces a new listing, any claims about Pi Network, ZBCN, BlockDAG, or WLFI coming to Coinbase are just speculation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Coinbase updates.